Hello everyone and welcome to KFC versus Hardees. You want to know what a KFC tender. That's a KFC tender. That's a KFC tender. This is a Hardees tender. What is that? Is that a booger? KFC tenders are much more thick. See? Tastes like chicken. KFC chicken tender by itself, 7 out of 10. I hit my mic. Something's wrong. Tastes like a burn. Something was burning. It was on fire. 2 out of 10. Normally Hardee's chicken's really good. The chicken itself, though, good. It's much more moist. And there you have it. KFC chicken's betting. Well, there's the video. Thank you for watching. Dude, I'm actually gonna fucking make that a video. I don't even give a shit at this point.
War. War never changes.